Today we're reviewing 3 of the most popular electric pressure cookers you can buy right now. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or big gatherings, these cookers promise to save you time, make life easier, and deliver delicious meals without the hassle. We'll be comparing the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1, the Instant Pot Whisper Quiet 9-in-1, and the Cosori 6-quart 9-in-1 multi-cooker. So if you're ready to find out which one deserves a spot in your kitchen, let's dive in. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. First up is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. A true classic. This is one of the best-selling pressure cookers in the world. Why? Because it's simple, reliable, and affordable. With 7 functions in one device, it works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. The stainless steel inner pot is tough, dishwasher safe, and perfect for browning ingredients before pressure cooking. Easy to use, great for beginners, and highly reliable. It's not the biggest, and it lacks some advanced features like sous vide. If you want something affordable, simple, and proven to work, this is your go-to choice. Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1. Next, we level up to the Instant Pot Whisper Quiet 9-in-1. This one is all about size and features. At 8 quarts, it's designed for large families or batch cooking. If you love making soups, stews, or big cuts of meat, the extra capacity makes a big difference. It also offers 9 cooking functions, adding sous vide, cake making, and sterilizing to the mix. And the best part, the new Whisper Quiet steam release. No more loud hissing when the pressure releases. It's safer and far less noisy. Big capacity, quieter operation, and plenty of cooking options. Takes up more counter space, costs more, and might be too much if you only cook small meals. If you want power, versatility, and enough space to cook for a crowd, this is the model to beat. Cosori 6-quart 9-in-1 multi-cooker. Now let's talk about the Cosori 6-quart 9-in-1. This one competes directly with Instant Pot by offering 9 cooking functions, including sous vide and rice cooking. At 6 quarts, it's a perfect middle ground. Not too small, not too big. What really makes it stand out is the ceramic non-stick inner pot. It's easier to clean compared to stainless steel, and food doesn't stick as much. The control panel is also sleek and user-friendly, with plenty of presets for one-touch cooking. Versatile, compact, easy to clean, and budget-friendly. Not as quiet as the Whisper model, and build quality feels a little lighter compared to Instant Pot. For everyday cooking, especially if you value easy cleanup, the Cosori is a fantastic option. Final comparison. So here's the breakdown. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is best for beginners and smaller families. The Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 is perfect if you need maximum size and advanced features. And the Cosori 6-quart 9-in-1 is the middle ground, giving you convenience, easy cleaning, and solid versatility. It really comes down to your kitchen needs, simplicity, power, or balance. So which pressure cooker would you pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews of the best kitchen gadgets. Until next time, cook smart, save time, and enjoy your meals with ease.